Good morning, students. This is a short video on how to submit your Scratch projects. I have also created an account and started working on the course, and this is what you have to do for project 1. You have to create a scene with an extra backdrop and at least 3 different sprites. So I have gone and done that, and this is my scene. And before we submit the project, let us have a quick look at a few other details. Note that this is untitled, so you can add a title to it. So I will say Nalin's first project, and you also have a project page, right? That is attached to your account. So also you can save the project. So you can save now, and you can also save to your computer. If you want to save it on your computer, you can save it. It will save the file wherever your downloads go in your Chrome browser, right? And you can go to the project page, and this is your project page. You will see all your projects here. And you can also go to your project folder, which is here, and you will see the project here, my stuff. And even from this page you can launch new projects and so on. So we have done what has been asked of us. Now let us go and look at the submission instructions, right? Okay, first of all, note that they want you to have the latest version of Chrome. That is probably to make Scratch work better. If you haven't done so already, visit this link, which we will visit. And this is to sign into GitHub. You should first understand what GitHub is. GitHub is going to be quite important if you are going ahead with the future as a software engineer. It's one of the many things that demonstrate the power of the internet to bring together people who are working on the same thing, and also to bring together people who want to share their work without selling it. So I don't have an account, and neither will you. So let us create an account here. You have to first click to get this to go. Enter my email, enter the email, continue, create a password. So there we are. Let's say no for this at the moment. Then of course, this is another common thing that you have on websites these days, to make sure that some computer program is not creating hundreds of accounts, which will make a problem for the server that is hosting this site. Pick the spiral galaxy. Okay. Right. So we have then we can create our account. So I need to go to my account. How many team members will be working with you? Just me. And I can say I am a teacher. If you like, you can click student here, but it probably doesn't make much of a difference. I will continue. What features are you interested in? Let us say for the moment we'll just click continue. So of course we want to continue for free. Okay, so you have here all the details about what's available to you. We are not interested in any of that yet, but I encourage you to look around. So this is now creating the GitHub account, which we have done. We will leave this there and go back to this link. Here we go. Now that we have a GitHub account and we are logged in, we see this choice that they want us to authorize, CS50. And you click this and join the course. So now we can go back to this page. We have clicked on join course and now we just have to fill out this form. So when we clicked on join course, we ended up on this page here. And you can investigate these other options of submitting later. But let us use the simple option that they have given to click this. Click this allow button. Here we go. You should not submit this form more than once before your work is created. So please do not keep submitting because they may cancel your registration for the course because they think that you are trying to create a problem for them. So they have my details. This must be my GitHub account. This is my email for the edX, and here's my edX username. So here they ask for the GitHub username, which is different. Let us just write in Sri Lanka here. You have to confirm that this is your work, which is very important. This is very important. What is your Scratch project's URL on MIT's website? See project page in Scratch's top right corner. We have already done that, but we will go and look at it again. Ensure your project has a title in Scratch's top left corner, which we have done. Some instructions and some notes. in Scratch's bottom right corner. So all we have to do now is we have to go to our project page and click share. But before that, we need to look at these instructions and notes or credits and copy this URL and paste it here. So let's go back to our Scratch page. So we have gone back to our Scratch creation page. We have given a title here and we can go to the project page. Now for this project, it has a special page and we are supposed to put in some instructions and some notes and credits. So this is a very simple project, so we will say no instructions here. For example, you can write anything you want, but I think they are expecting some text here to make this a complete project. So we just put in some text and we say that this is used available sprites and background. Let us put just that. After all, we have used their work. This doesn't actually do anything, so we can say no instructions. Project does not do anything. Let's just write that in. Right. And then we have to click the share button. So that's important. And this allows other people to see it and give comments and also to reuse it if they want. Now this is the URL that they are looking for. So we should copy this URL. As you can see, it is a 9-digit number, and then paste it into the Google form. There we go. In one or more sentences, what does your Scratch project do? Let us just write, this is first project for the course. Right. Can we stay and project with others online? Why not? Let us say yes. This is something you have to get used to. You have to share your work with other people, especially once you get to doing more advanced work. And we click on submit. And please note this, it may take up to 3 weeks for your work to be graded. So I have seen many messages saying that there is no acknowledgement of the submission. Please wait a few weeks. We are not really interested in their grading. We are interested in learning about Scratch. Now, in addition to submitting on the edX site, which you would do as part of doing the regular course, Ms. Gamage has also made a place for you to submit your Scratch projects on the Future Careers Bridge LMS page. It is here, but I will move this later on down to the topic related to this course. But let's go here. And you have to submit it here. Okay. Now I can't submit it because I am not a student in this course, but you have to do it here. If you have any problems with submitting it here also, please let us know about it. Right. Thank you very much.